loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. Please bear with my voice today because I'm not doing that well. So in today's video we're going to be testing out some products that were sent to me from Banggood.in. Let's check these products and find out whether they were hits or misses, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before leaving. With that being said, now let's begin. I did get all of my products in this kind of package, nicely wrapped with a foam wrap, and I did get 5 items I guess. So let me share with you all first what all did I get. So on my Instagram I did share about these products when I received them, and if you're not yet following me on my Instagram, you've missed out a lot, so don't forget to follow me there. The link would be there in the description box. So I did get these 2 brush sets, and now these were really affordable, around $8.88 and $4.84, something this kind of price, but they were very cheap. Dude, the prices were steal. So let's test. So I have basically these 2 brush sets. This white one has face brushes and eye makeup brushes, while this small brown one has all of your eye makeup brushes and some of your foundation brushes. So these were the 2 brush sets that I received. I did get 2 mirrors, which is very essential for a beauty YouTuber. So first I got this hand mirror, and this is how the mirror looks. It is basically plastic, but just because of the intricate design it looks really cool. And this is the mirror. Sorry for the shine though. Second was this mirror which I got. So this did come in 3 pieces, these 3 parts which are supposed to assemble, and this goes in here and just screws up. Then you can put up this side. So that's done. That's your mirror. This is a LED desk mirror. On the circumference of the mirror you can see the LED lamp ring is placed, and the switch is right here, which is touch screen. So you can either put battery or you can also plug in the USB. So I did get its USB cable along, so you can plug in that. Just need to tap it once for level 1 brightness, twice for level 2 brightness, and thrice. This is the brightest mode. It is well lit because of the LED, especially if you are traveling. You can just dismantle it and then use it. So it is very travel friendly, and you can like do your makeup conveniently. Also get this storage section over here where you can store stuff. You can hang your earrings and things right on the arms of the handle. So this was a very useful item which I've got, and I do really like this. After that, the last item that I got was slightly pricey but definitely worth it, was an eyeshadow palette from Novo. It is known as the Dreamland Quicksand eyeshadow palette. This is the packaging of the eyeshadow palette. It is so cool, and when you open it up, the packaging, to be true, is very bulky. It does feel heavy just because of the big mirror here. So that is very heavy, especially this side of the palette. This side isn't that much heavy. You do get this protective what do you call it? Oh my god, I just went blank. Whatever. So after that, to protect your eyeshadows, you do get that plastic sheet, and this is the eyeshadow palette. It does have very beautiful selection of colors. Overall, it's a very beautiful palette, and the pigmentation is lit as well. So I'll just show you some swatches very quick. You see the pigmentation is bomb. I thought like let's test out these products. I can use the mirror and the brushes with the eyeshadow palette, and with some other makeup stuff that I have, I can test out these products to see whether they're actually worth it or not. If you want to see that part of the video apart from the haul, then please continue watching. And also I want to just head out this that I was not charged any customs on shopping from this website. Basically this is just like AliExpress, Club Factory kind of a website wherein you get stuff for really affordable and good discounted rates. So this was not charged with any custom duty. The brushes, they did come individually packed, and some had just sticking out, which you can totally remove. It does happen. If brushes shed for the very first time, it is fine, but if they keep shedding, then those aren't good quality brushes. Remember that. with this pointed brush, picking the shade up. So guys, with that I finish my full face of makeup trying out products from Banggood. Let's move on to my final thoughts on these products. Were they hits or misses? So very first is this eyeshadow palette. Now I do really like this eyeshadow palette, and the color selection and the pigmentation is bang on. Loved it. And the packaging, that what I loved was the desk mirror and the hand mirror, because they are a necessity for me, and I really love the quality of the mirror. It is not that cheap mirror finish kind of material, it is an actual mirror, and that is the thing I really like. Talking about the brushes that I use, the brown ones. Apart from these brushes, out of the 20 brushes, rest all were kind of flat shader brushes. The liner brush, the spoolie, some angle blending brush, you get this sponge tip applicator, concealer brushes, then concealer buffing brushes, eyeliner brush, foundation brush, and again a flat shader brush. So apart from these brushes, rest all were kind of similar brushes, just varying in their sizes. So more than this brush set, I did like the white brush set, just because you do get good face brushes and eye brushes. One or two brushes, like this particular one was kind of stiff and flimsy, this one was slightly flimsy. Apart from that single brush, the other brushes worked pretty good. I feel this is much of a value brush set than this one, because you would not need so many eyeshadow brushes. This is like an all-inclusive brush set, so I do like this one more than that brown set. So yes, those were all of the products from Banggood that I tried. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. All of the details of the products and links would be there in the description. You can check that out, and I would meet you guys soon in my next video with my new backdrop. I hope you guys really like this and the quality of this video. So yes, I'll meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.